Sina simu na chape inaamuka. Simu chape ya amuka kuliko.
Na si ndio hivi kama
shamuka.
Na chape ile.
Chape ile.
ilikuwa inalala.
Kina lala. Msikaze sasa hiyo mkono.
Acha tu aye.
Kutingiza.
Hapo sasa kutingiza, sahau.
Achilia nguo.
Ndio imefika mpaka kwenye kwako. Pale ndio inashuka kwenye kwapa.
Clinton.
Kwenye kwapa bro. Hapa.
Good. Ili hapo sasa. Wow. It's not a joke, man. Guys, we are here.
Guys, I think
You know, Clinton is a comedian. He's a comedian.
But actually now he is laughing actually, you know. But somehow
I think I can run.
You can do what?
Run.
Clinton, the man of the hour now. It's your moment. Come here. Come here. Kuja hapa katikati. Yeah. You just speak even in Kiswahili.
Yeah,
mix.
Yeah, you just just me.
Yeah.
I can say this.
Yeah.
Thank you for always supporting us here.
Yeah.
Nation, Prince, Kheem,
Yeah.
thank you for supporting us. And big shout out to all for always supporting us.
Yeah.
And me, anything I can say,
Yeah.
thank you very much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So in the next 3 days, the doctors are sure you will be okay.
Yeah.
And we have paid them, and now you just go for checkup for the next 2 days, and they treat you. Okay. So you guys, are you ready for some tea? Ah! Okay. This is Team Royal. Yeah, man. Okay. Clinton wants to talk here.
Yeah. Now, Nation.
now is you. I'm not national, I'm underscore.
Nation in Nyabuan.
Yes,
In
I'm
YouTube,
Nation.
you are the Prince.
In real name I'm Nation, but
Yeah.
I'm N_Prince because I'm N_Prince. I'm the only prince in the building.
Yeah.
The one and the only one, you know.
So, what do you want to tell our people about our future and everything?
No, I will not have any more to talk actually. Many things, but I've had this.
Yeah.
Guys, I know you are waiting for me in a long night and a long time. But soon, guys, I'm going to upload starting.
Where are we going to take some tea, guys?
We are going that way.
Okay.
In
Vegas.
Vegas.
Hotel.
Yeah.
So,
Actually, yes, that's my dream and I'm waiting for it. But I'm struggling now to get it.
yeah. And guys, do you know what? Our family around here. And this is our richest brothers here. And our big mother.
Yeah.
They're here. And this is our mother. Yeah.
This is my nephew, guys. I'm here with my nephew. They have come to check me to shave. They are here to shave. Yeah, he's my nephew.
Are you going to take them today?
Yes, guys. I have a big family.
Will I take them now?
In the barber shop.
I'm going to take them, or I'm taking them, then they shave, and then we can get.
I don't know, but guys, I want to give them money first. I will give mother name. You know, he knows where he will go. Yeah, he knows. So it's okay, guys.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, this is Nation, big family, man. Yeah. Okay. Tuenda pale kwa chai sasa. Okay, you guys are not yet done.
Yeah. So, Nash, yes. Do you believe one day you will be like who? Mark.
Actually, guys, you know that is my dream, and I know one day, one time, I will build my name as N_Prince. Yeah, and I'll be a big person. Yeah, actually, guys, you know, it's not easy to build the name, you know, but guys, I'm trying my best, and I know soon, guys, I'm going to be N_Prince. Yeah, and guys, you will know who is this N_Prince, guys. That is guys, what I'm.
And me, I want to tell you something. And this, I think in this week, I will start my YouTube. I will show you a big love, and everything I have in my head I will show you. And hi guys, I'm hungry. I have to eat. Yeah. Yeah. Guys, today I feel like I can talk. I feel I can celebrate. I feel I can shout in Nyabohansi.
But guys, you know what? Clinton, in a few days, he was not even talking. He just been quiet. You can think, what is wrong with this guy? Because this thing was
guys,
working,
this
you know?
thing. Yeah.
But guys, he was
I was called it.
was treated
I
well.
was called it a 1 subscriber. This is a 1 subscriber. But through God, guys, I am good, and you know, when I'm good, I'm happy. You see, I'm strong. But I want to tell you guys from Jamaica, you have to tell me something. I love Jamaica.
He represent Jamaican people, you know.
And mom, I know very soon I go to work with you. I know very soon I want to do your project and something, but I believe one day I will do your job in clearly, and I will never let you down. And I pray God, my dream, my everything I want to do, through God, through you, everything is to be okay. What do you want to tell me?
I will add this,
Tell me.
guys, actually, guys. What I will add to you guys is just wait to me, stay there, N_Prince is coming. Guys, I have a content, I have a big and amazing things that they're going to show you guys. What is there, that is that I'm trying my best to get a smartphone, and feel that I will okay, actually, yeah.
Guys, we are inside here. This is a Vegas hotel, and we have to eat. Our brother is here.
I have ordered some tea for everyone.
Yeah.
Let's get some tea, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was in the background listening, and man, I love the improvement, guys. Clinton,
Yeah.
you can do this, bro.
Yeah.
If there is anyone who ever said you can do YouTube, bro, you can do it.
Yeah.
Because you know what, man, guys, he's now talking, you know, and you know the only struggle thing is to talk with this camera. But now
When
he
you
don't.
get used,
Yes.
when you just take it normal, like it's like you're chatting with someone. You
Yeah,
go.
it's so simple, you know.
Yes.
So this guy actually, he's improving and he's doing well. And guys, you know, he's promising this. Soon he's going to start. And guys, you'll see amazing things with Clinton_K. Yeah.
Yeah. Guys, you know what? Let me see Nation. She want to comment something.
Yes, Munyama is here, guys.
Comment something. I need to comment. And guys, our brothers, we have something here.
You have an extension.
This is his Munyama.
I see you want to do us justice now. Okay. Clinton, guys, man, I love the fact that my brother can take more than 5 minutes with the camera. It's an improvement, man.
Yes, guys.
It's a very huge.
You know, that is what I want.
Yeah.
At least next time
Yeah.
he will talk.
Exactly.
You know, yes.
No, he's going to talk.
I think I'm actually going to make this video more of him.
Okay.
The part that we talk down there, I'm going to make it few minutes, and then the other part he has done,
Okay.
we leave it.
You will
We see
talk.
how people will comment.
Yes.
Guys, please give us your feedback about
Yeah.
Clinton and what you think he should do.
Yeah.
It will be your video, bro.
Yeah. Guys,
Yeah.
can you really support us?
Yeah, man.
And thank you very much for supporting us.
Yeah.
And from now,
Yeah.
I'm going to talk.
Okay.
Yeah.
Clinton will be talking from now.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, Mom, Thomas, don't worry. Clinton is going to talk, and he's going to explain everything in the camera.
Exactly.
Yes.
Okay.
So, guys, let us get some coffee here.
Yeah.
We chill together. We cheers.
Yeah, man.
Yes, guys. Cheers.
Okay, bro. So guys, let me end this story. Let me actually edit this one so that I can upload, and you guys can get this information from Clinton and everyone. So see you guys. I'm happy that, just in summary, 3 days of treatment, including today, so 2 days more, and then you will be okay. We just pray for Clinton that nothing else comes up. So goodbye, and I'll see you guys. Thank you. And tell people goodbye.
Yes, guys, goodbye.
Okay.
We love you so much, guys.
Yeah.
We love you so much.
Okay.
Big salute for all of you guys there.
Okay.
May God bless you.
Okay. Goodbye.
Bye bye.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. See you guys.